Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, Nyesom Wike, has suffered a setback in his grip on the levers of power at the People's Democratic Party National Secretariat, as his ally, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, has been denied by the Supreme Court his quest to stay execution on his sack as the National Secretary of the main opposition party in Nigeria, the People's Democratic Party. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Of course, you and I know that Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, has become the nemesis of the People's Democratic Party. Why did I say this? The minister has already in several occasions said that he is working for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to be re-elected in 2027. Having made that avowal public at several functions, his continue to be in PDP means that he will continue to work against the progress of the party, so that the party will not be able to present a credible candidate that can challenge Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the election, or that if his grip on that party continues the way it's headed, PDP might not even have a presidential candidate, which will work out well for Tinubu, knowing that the major opposition party in Nigeria was so crisis-ridden that he couldn't have a presidential candidate. That would mean that Nyesom Wike has done his work well for Tinubu and the APC. Now, it is believed that Nyesom Wike's grip on the party in the PDP is through some individuals who are occupying strategic positions in the People's Democratic Party. Many of them got to the position through his support when he was governor of Rivers State. Now, one of those that I believe to be among the quote-unquote Nyesom Wike's people at the National Secretariat is Senator Samuel Anyanwu. Senator Samuel Anyanwu left to go and contest for governorship election in Imo State, and his position became vacant. And of course, you know that nature abhors vacuum. When he left to campaign to become governor, somebody has to take over the position. And that person was Udeh Okoye, who was appointed by the Southeast Caucus of the party. When Samuel Anyanwu fell woefully in that election in Imo State, of course, that election, like most election conducted under the APC administration, was not free and fair. We have to admit that. But he was beaten black and blue in that hugely compromised election. So he came back and started dragging the position of national secretary with Udeh Okoye. And now it became a legal tussle. And until they now got to the appeal court ruled that Udeh Okoye is the national secretary of the party and not Samuel Anyanwu. Samuel Anyanwu rushed to the Supreme Court to stop the execution of the appeal court ruling of December 2024. December 2024, yeah. To stop the execution of that appeal court ruling that confirmed Udeh Okoye as the national secretary. Anyanwu rushed to the Supreme Court and requested for a stay of execution of that appeal court so that he can continue to be in charge of the secretariat. But the Supreme Court, in the latest ruling on the matter, has denied him that stay of execution. The Supreme Court said that the appeal court that declared Udeh Okoye as the national secretary was a declarative judgment, and that he cannot stop the execution of that declaration. In other words, he cannot stop Udeh Okoye from being national secretary until the Supreme Court determine who is the national secretary. They said, no, you can't do that. Therefore means that Udeh Okoye remains the authentic national secretary until the Supreme Court will now rule on who is the national secretary. So the issue of who is the national secretary will still be determined very soon by the Supreme Court. What the Supreme Court has done is to say, Senator Anyanwu, you cannot stop Udeh Okoye from being the national secretary through a stay of execution. No, you can't do that. This Supreme Court will not grant you that. But we are going to look into your matter. We are going to look into your matter in March. So they gave an accelerated hearing for Anyanwu's matter for March 10th. They are joining to March 10th, 2025. But between now and then, Udeh Okoye remains the national secretary and not Anyanwu. Okay, Anyanwu will still have his opportunity to see whether the Supreme Court will rule in his favor. But for now, the Supreme Court has said, by this denial of stay of execution, that Udeh Okoye is the national secretary. That being the case, Nyesom Wike, who is believed to be an ally of Anyanwu, has therefore lost out, at least for now, until the Supreme Court will look into this matter on March 10. Okay, that is what is on board right now. So it's a temporary setback for Nyesom Wike and Samuel Anyanwu. But the Supreme Court will have a final say on this matter. But several people who have spoken, who understand the constitution of the PDP, are unanimous that there is no way the Supreme Court, that's if they follow the constitution of the People's Democratic Party, there is no way Udeh Okoye will be sacked by the Supreme Court. They are very confident that Udeh Okoye will be confirmed by the Supreme Court. But You never can tell what the Supreme Court will come up with. But at least for now, Udeh Okoye is safe as the National Secretary of the People's Democratic Party. And all these issues need to be resolved, because as long as people who are loyal to Nyesom Wike continue to occupy positions in the party, in the PDP, there are chances of making any headway in next election, in which Wike himself had made it clear that APC's candidate, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is his own candidate. What hope then do you expect from PDP if Nyesom Wike triumph at the Supreme Court and Anyanwu remains or is restored back? That would be a disaster for the People's Democratic Party in terms of 2027. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.